Right, so yeah, big beautiful barbecue grill build. Quick rundown before we start smashing burgers here. But there's my countertop right there, turned out really good. I do have a little bit of fine tuning to do, I haven't done that yet. It has rained on these and everything's working great. Dad Random here. If you recall the big beautiful barbecue build, well, it's done. It's been done now for a couple of weeks now. And we've already got piles of stuff on it, but we're getting ready. I'm actually putting lights up for a wedding, and I've got a harvest of these green fruit things. They're called pineapple guavas, and it's the way I know them as. But I've got these pineapple guava trees. Look at that right there. But I've been pruning, getting things ready. So anyway, I am now breaking in for the second time the Blackstone. So the Blackstone right now is heating up, and we're gonna do some smash burgers right now. So I've got, now this is actually a cover I got, so when it's all done, I clean it up and then I put this on. It keeps sand from getting on the top of your grill. You don't have to keep cleaning it. But the smash burgers are easy. Ground beef, onions, and cheese. That's it. And then I got these skinny buns because I'm worried about all the extra processed bread, so I don't eat as much. Then you need a burger smasher, one of these things right there. All right. A little salt and pepper, P for pepper, and S for salt. All right, pretty obvious. But that's it. That's what I do, and we just let the onions talk for themselves. I just throw the onions down, and then actually you can just stick them right down. Throw some cheese into the onions and you just let them cook. And then you just take the hamburger and just throw it down. Smash burger, I don't know. I don't have any real, I don't know what I call it. I don't have a real process other than that. So, all right. Anyway, Dad Random, all right. Smash burger day, here, we should put this right here. And you can't see the burgers. So right there, and I do have my hands on, so we're using the DJI Neo to do this. So we've got to let this thing get nice and warm, and we'll start smashing burgers. All right. Right, so yeah, big beautiful barbecue grill build. Quick rundown before we start smashing burgers here. But there's my countertop right there, turned out really good. I do have a little bit of fine tuning to do, I haven't done that yet. It has rained on these and everything's working great. Check that out, look at that. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, it turned out a little more pink than we first expected, but actually turned out pleasingly nice. So everything's just kind of funky and cool. And yeah, really excited about it. Just using it is nice. It's just so much nicer than before. It's more usable, you know. From the way the grill's set in here, from the way everything just kind of works. And all right, so maybe we should pull one of those puppies out. Call that a step 2 if you watch Camping with Steve, but you can call Cooking with Dad Random. But we'll open up that Guinness there in a second. But yeah, it turned out really good. I'm kind of messing around with stuff. Got this all back. I'm probably going to put a TV up there now. But everything's just in its place, you know. Everything's just so much more like finished, you know. But yeah, I've been putting up lights as well. So I've got this solar system I put up, and it goes around the outside of the pool area. So remember, we're getting ready for a wedding. All right, so let's go start smashing some burgers. I think it's time to do this. Now this is actually the second time I've done smash burgers, but ooh, we got to get going. Looks like we have to put some oil down. All right, so we got to let's get some oil down here. Get some seasoning on there. A little seasoning. There we go. Yeah. Alrighty. I think we can start smashing some burgers, huh? All right. First thing I want to do is throw the onions down. So step one of smash burgers is onions, and we're going to put down a couple of piles of onions. I guess you could just cook all the onions and then push them aside. Let's just do that. So then the onions are, some people like them cooked completely, and I really don't care. The other thing you need when you're trying to cook stuff down is one of these little covers. All right, down to just cooking buns. It's an art form that I have not figured out yet, but they turned out good. They taste good, that's for sure. All right, dead random. Smash burger.